Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Canvas in Gemini in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First, when you open Gemini and start a new chat, well, Canvas isn't turned on by default. You need to enable it manually. Just go to the Tools section right over here, tap on this one, and choose Canvas. Now, once it is on, you can start writing anything like an essay, blog post, or even code. For example, we can ask Gemini to write an essay for us. Let's do this. Let's press enter and watch as Gemini starts to create the essay for us. And here's a cool part. Canvas works like a live document similar to Google Docs. You can edit text, delete parts, and everything updates automatically in real time. But what makes this really powerful are the built-in AI tools. You can instantly shorten or expand your content using the length option or change the tone, like make it more formal or casual. And here's the best part. At the top, right over here, there's a great option with just one click. You can turn your text into something else like an infographic, a quiz, flashcards, audio review, and it's a really fast way to repurpose your content without starting from scratch. That's about it. Canvas basically turns Gemini into a smart writing workspace where you can create, edit, and transform content all in one place. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!